People are making $900 a day or more with digital marketing. And the wild part is, some of them started with no experience, no following, and no tech skills. I know. That sounds like the kind of thing you hear and immediately question. I questioned it too, because I used to think online business was only for people who already had everything figured out. The big audience, the perfect videos, the fancy website, the confidence to show up every day. But that is not where everyone starts. This guided program teaches regular people how to start learning digital marketing from the beginning. It breaks down the blueprint, it shows how the system works, it explains how automation fits in, and it helps you understand how a side hustle can be built online without guessing your way through everything. That is what made it feel doable to me, not easy button doable, but I can actually learn this doable. If you have been wanting a work from home option, passive income, or a way to work from anywhere, this is something to look at. If you want to check it out for yourself, go to www.modern-millionaire.com. Enter your email, and I will send you the free blueprint and video that explains everything.